All right, I'm going to show you how to get to the G Kids training. So here you are in your Teacher Access Center. You got to this by going to the Fulton County School website, and then you click Teacher Access Center. This is where you are inputting grades. You're going to go up here to Tools. You're going to hover, because when you take it off, it goes away. Hovers, and then you're going to go GALDS Building 520, which is Georgia. It's like the Georgia State Longitude System. You're going to click that. It's going to populate a new screen. You're going to wait. This is all of those tabs that we're talking up. You're going to press PD. And then right here, you're going to see, and there it is, G Kids Readiness Check. And when you click and remember, I'm impersonating someone, you click these modules, it will say right here whether or not you have completed the modules. So when you have completed the modules, you can just send me an email and letting me know that you've done it, and then we will be good to go, and we will have a G Kids training at the start of the school year. Let me know if you have any questions.